So we are going to be using our Batter Mixer Dispenser. I use this thing at least once a week, mainly to make pancakes. My 6-year-old loves it because she can come up and make her own pancakes with it, and it makes her feel very independent. It also has settings. So it's got like a small, medium, and large. So the small setting is 2 tablespoons, medium setting is 3 tablespoons, and the biggest setting is 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup. So for filling the regular size brownie pan, we're gonna use the largest setting. And for the minis, I'm gonna start with the small one. And if we need a little more, we can just add like a half a squeeze. With the Batter Mixer Dispenser, you're gonna want to put your liquids in first and then your dry ingredients. Since the brownie box is pretty big, I'm actually going to split it up. So I'm going to do liquids, then some of the dry, the rest of the liquids, and the rest of the dry. I've already gone ahead, and the recipe calls for 2 eggs, and I went ahead and cracked those. And I'm gonna start with that as my first liquid. Now I will add about half of the mixture. Next, it called for 3 tablespoons of water, and I've got the Easy Read mini measuring cup here. Makes it nice and simple. You've got 1 to 4 tablespoons, and it even breaks it down to 1/8 cup and 1/16 cup. It's one of the reasons I love that one. And then last, a half a cup of vegetable oil. The rest of our brownie mix. You've got your mixer right here, so we're gonna go ahead and set that on, lock it in place, and then just start mixing. One thing I like to do about halfway through is I put the mixer all the way to the bottom and I twist it. So that helps get any of the dry ingredients that might have been smushed to the bottom. And then you go again. And like with any baking, you don't want to overmix. Once you have your mixture made, you're gonna pull this out and you're gonna put the mixer on this. I just like to set it right on the counter next to the dispenser. Bring it up, slide it off, and stick it right on top. That's it. Then you're gonna bring it back in. Put it in at an angle so your air comes out, and once you hit the batter, straighten it out, lock in place. You're good to go. Big brownie pan first. I'm gonna change it to the bigger setting. Fill it up. Give it a squeeze. For the minis, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to the small. That was so easy, you guys, and I made it all right here in the Batter Mixer Dispenser. One thing to clean up, and it's all dishwasher safe. Who doesn't love that? So once you're all done, cleanup is a breeze. Your plunger is gonna be down, so the easiest way to get it out, you're gonna unlock. You're gonna wanna push up just to give a little bit of air in and give it a bend. That's gonna come right out. Pieces are all dishwasher safe, top shelf. I pop out this piece. I do put this in my silverware rack, just so it doesn't fall around. I put these on the top shelf and this on the top shelf, and your dispenser cap. I do not put this part in my dishwasher, but it is dishwasher safe, just so you know. I just unscrew the top. If it's got if I made something with eggs or something, then I wash it really well with soap and water. If I just made pancakes and it's just a water and dough mixture, I just rinse it out real quick. But just pull all your pieces down, rinse them off, and then you just slide it back up to put it back together. Mine does have a longer metal piece. If yours has one with a short end and a long end, you just want to make sure that long end is pointed towards your handle. That's how the handle works. And then it's a spring, a metal washer, and then your silicone washer. Put your cap on, line it up, twist it shut, and it's done. Once it's all clean, you're going to take the dispenser valve and it goes in from the inside. Line it up, pop it in place. And then I put it on the base. I take the dispenser cap, wrap it around, and store it right in my cabinet just like that. Don't forget, if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.